Hello everyone! Today, I'm gonna show you how to delete all your own DMs in Discord. But before we start the video, make sure to hit that like and subscribe. Let's start. The first thing you need to do is open up Google Chrome. Then, click on the three dots on the top right. Then, select Extension. Then select Visit Chrome Webstore. In the search box, type Discrub. Click on the extension, then select Add to Chrome. Then select Add Extension. Now, when you're in the Discord website, you should see the icon on your Discord server on the top right beside the search bar. But if you don't see it, just refresh the page. Click on the Discrub icon, and once the box appears, click on the menu at the top. Select Direct Messages, and in the drop-down, select which conversations you want to delete your direct messages from. Click on the search button to pull up your chat, and now you have the option to individually click on each message. Click on the bin icon and click on Delete. Lastly, click Delete again. It will take longer the more messages it needs to delete. Hope this video helps.